Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video where we'll be looking at the Area Search tool within MapThat. The Area Search tool is available from the Map Tools menu. There are options to place a single point in a map, place a point at a coordinate, draw a multi-point line, create your own shape, and also use an existing shape. Let's start by placing a single point in the east of Liverpool and then typing a distance of 2000. We then have options to change the distance units, but let's leave this as metres. Press the tick button to confirm the area and the 2 kilometre buffer is drawn. If we go back to the layer list and from the Report It tree choose to view the abandoned vehicles, MapThat will ask if you wish to view all of the incidents or choose OK to just the ones within the 2 kilometre buffer. If we zoom into the map, we can see there's only 3 abandoned vehicle incidents within our 2 kilometre buffer. And by opening the data table from the right, we can view the incident details. Using the filter tool at the top, we can select only the incidents where the status field equals open. And once applied, we can see there are only 2 incidents that are unresolved. If we press the green arrow, notice the map is updated with just the 2 red incident dots. And by clicking on one of them, we can see that their status is open. Let's clear the map and navigate back to the home location Liverpool. This time, before we create the area search, we'll display our layers first. From the education tree, let's turn on the school catchment areas, and then let's turn on the school locations themselves, which are the red dots. In addition, from the points of interest folder, let's display the leisure centres and the post offices. Using the map tools, Area Search, this time we're going to use an existing shape option. So from the left, choose existing shape, and in the right, let's choose one of the school catchment areas. This time we don't need to type a distance, we're simply going to tick the confirm button to select our area. Then when we tick the arrow to apply the search, MapThat will ask us which layer we want to apply the search to. Let's choose Liverpool Schools. Below that we have options to actually filter all of the layers and also to export the results to Excel. Let's tick that box and choose Apply Area Search. Once applied, notice that only the schools within the selected catchment area are now shown. At the bottom of the browser will be a link to open up the exported Excel file. This will be a list of the schools that fall in that catchment area. If we look at the list, we'll notice there are 24 schools selected. Back in MapThat, if we open the data table and then change the layer choice to be the Liverpool Schools, we can see the same 24 school records again. Let's apply a filter again on the schools where the status field is open. Typing open and then choosing the field. If we press the yellow button, this will then filter our schools to show us only the 3 selected schools that are open in our catchment. Press the green arrow button to apply that to the map. We can now view the 3 selected schools within our catchment area that are open. The Area Search tool is therefore a great way to undertake spatial and attribute analysis on your map layers.